As the 90 days period of consultation kicks in, pillars of power around those who are pushing for the Agenda 2030 are now shaking. Some police officers who attended and spoke against the proposed police amendment bill during a public hearing in Chinoy a fortnight ago have been transferred from their station. Sarapina mashoko buda nyuko panguva ino aiwa panhau dziri kutsviriridza nhau dzema-amendments hazvipere mushe dzanapinda mashoko buda nyuko panguva ino tobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Ndina BBC abudanyura chiti ironically the issue of punitive transfer emerges as a key concern during the same public hearing before the parliamentary portfolio meeting. Officers openly challenged their superior, alleging that transfers within the force are riddled with vindictiveness, corruption, and favoritism. Junior officers told the committee that transfers were often affected without justification and were used to punish those who carry out their duties professionally, allegedly angering senior officers whom they accused of working in cahoots with criminal syndicates. This publication established that some officers who commented negatively against the bill have been punitively transferred from their post. Doma developments ari kubuda panguva inotiona kuti nhau dzema-amendment bills dzakubata again kuzRP police aiwa chitiko chiri kushamisa panguva ino kuchionekwa kunzi ma-officers they are now facing some challenges panguva ine kutaura chokwadi. Munhu akataura chokwadi kana kutaura zviri negative pamusoro pe the bill aiwa tautondopa kutofesa punishment, vamwe they are being transferred nezvimwe zvakadaro. Tudze mafungiro enyu mauti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Aiwa benda comment section medu dzafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like chete on the bell icon.